It's Sarah. I want to share with you a amazing tool that I'm using and I've been leveraging for the past month now, and it is called AWeber. It is basically getting into the digital marketing space and things like that. I've been able to find out some really amazing tools, and AWeber is a list building tool that helps you create automated emails and create lists and things like that to cater to whatever business that you have. So let's get started here. So first you want to go on the home page here when you sign up and stuff. Go to manage list and you want to create list. And here is where you can put in a website that you want or a company name that you have. And then this is the dummy address that I have in here. And you can put in your business address, and then you want to put in your information. Basically here, your name and email that you will be receiving your information, or your that it will appear to people's inboxes when you send out messages. So I'll just put in one of my emails. And then you want to put in your name for your list. This is information that's internal for you to just be aware of what this list is for you. So I'll just say this is a leads list. And basically here you want to put in a description of what this list is for you, and this list is for collecting leads. And then you move on to the next step. So here you want to pick the language. I'm putting everything on my emails are in English, so everything will be in English. And you want a subject line. This is basically confirmation messaging. So this is when they do sign up for whatever offer you're giving them, they will get this confirmation message sent to their inbox, just to kind of make sure it's like a double opt-in, to make sure that they are for sure wanting to be receiving emails from you. So you just want to, I usually just keep the standard information there, and I just say approve, and there you go. You go to your lists, and it's down here, leads list. It's right up here, and you are ready to rock and roll. So when you go in here, you kind of want to put in your basic information. You can personalize your list. You can add a company website. You can add your signature, connect it to social media sharing. So there's quite a bit to do here. And then confirmation messaging. Again, when someone opts in to whatever offer you're providing them, they will then receive a confirmation message subscribing to your email and opting in, saying that I want to receive emails from such and such company. And then you want to keep the settings set as is, and you just save settings. You can hear in the message preview, you just basically add in where it has the list name and company name, you put in your information, like to receive email from Travel with Sarah, or in your thank you for your company, Travel with Sarah, whatever your niche, your company name is, that's where you want to put it in. And there you have it. And then that is kind of how to just set up your leads list or your AWeber list. So with that, I hope that helped. It really helped me pretty much kind of quickly get into it. And in the next video, I'll show you how you can start adding automated messages.